squad car. He's heading towards you, Ryan. Oh my God.
In Barrington, Illinois, a small town northwest of Chicago, police were sent to a car dealership after a security monitoring company reported 3 or 4 suspicious people on the lot. When officers showed up, they had no idea that one of the stolen vehicles waiting for them would actually be their own squad car. Would be their own.
190, I do see subjects get into a car.
Other units can come in off of Dundee Road. They're coming out with a Porsche.
Very high rate of speed.
Leaving with a Porsche, high rate of speed.
They just rammed me. They're ramming the gate. Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground, motherfucker! Oh. 190 more Porsches are being stolen.
138, I'm 1060. Can we get Inverness to respond as well?
Hey, Inverness, get into the area, please.
Are you hit?
75 is still in your air and Roscoe.
See the car?
190 black SUV Porsche headed eastbound on Dundee Road. And there was also another Porsche that left southbound.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay.
Is he in the car? You're hurt?
Huh?
Sector 136, hold the air.
Be careful. 190. We just got a passerby that said the white Porsche.
What's the top over here? Just 1050 with another vehicle. Southbound. He's on our way over there. White Porsche 1050 southbound Barrington.
I'm eastbound Dundee, passing Carlisle.
That black Porsche is far ahead of me. Right. Black Porsche, eastbound Dundee, far ahead of you.
Hey, I got another unit, another Mercedes coming out at a high rate of speed. They're gonna ram the gate. Headed westbound on Dundee Road. They went through the gate, hit my car again, and they're gonna go southbound on Barrington Road. White Mercedes. I know. Just get in your car.
160, I got 277. Stop the car! Get the hell out of the car! Get up! Get up!
They're going to go southbound on Barrington Road. Southbound.
160, I need another unit. Got people running at 68.
People running somewhere.
Get on the ground!
Anything else I needed to assist? Yeah.
Get on the ground. Just saw my squad car. He's heading towards you, Ryan. Oh my God. Yeah.
Eastbound on Barrington.
6A, we have 2 cars broken down here. I might need other units out here.
They just hit Motorworks. I just got T-boned. They rammed me. I blocked the gate. And a Porsche came flying out. Hit me.
Central, 138, following behind the squad car now.
Southbound 14. Southbound on Hila. Southbound on Hila, 10 forward, block. 136, correct, and southbound on Hila. Southbound on Hila. 1050. 1050 right here. 1050 location.
Hey, let me see your fucking hands! We're at Dundee and Ela.
Dundee and Ela. You know, see, we need units here. And then another vehicle. We got somebody in the woods. Somebody in the woods. That's what we need units here. And then another vehicle. We got somebody in the woods. Somebody's in the woods.
Hey, let me see your fucking hands! Get on the ground, motherfucker! Let me see your hands!
Right up there.
Are they okay over here?
I think it's a stolen car. Just make sure, stay back. I don't know if they're armed.
All right.
So they've all pretty much wrecked right now, so we're chasing them all. I'll keep you updated. Don't fucking move! You hear me? Don't you fucking move! Don't move! Don't fucking move! You fucking move your gun! Stop! Listen to me! Roll onto your stomach! Roll onto your stomach! Hey! Keep your fucking hands up! Don't fucking move! You understand? Don't fucking move!
Stop on here, 10-4.
38, we got one at gunpoint. Don't move!
Why
are you moving, dude? Yeah, this guy. You're gonna get a fucking taste. Don't move. You okay?
Yep. Okay, thank you guys.
Yeah. I'm not sure if you saw him. There was another guy that took off through the forest.
He did?
Yeah.
Is that the person that came out and stole my squad car?
The one that took your car?
Yeah.
There was a second one that went right before that. They ran through the forest. Don't move.
I'm on your back right now. Right now. Don't move.
I'm being told the second unit got out of the car, ran westbound on 68.
16 to work, 10-4. One's been tased.
Them now in custody.
Somebody, we have entrapment. Central 136, can you please send the paramedics to our location? We have one suspect entrapped in the vehicle.
We'll have to go through it all.
One subject trapped in the vehicle, 10-4.
Oh, this is a victim?
Yeah.
There we go.
Come on up. This is a civilian guy?
Yeah. Dude, I have no clue. No one right now. Our supervisor's at Motorworks.
Okay.
Well, that's cool. Where are you from?
Where? I used to be the police there. What streets? Oh,
Who's missing? Are we missing the bad guys too with them?
no, we got him. Central 136. The subject is out of the vehicle.
Subject out of the vehicle, 10-4.
All right.
So hold on just 1 second. So just to be clear, we got one offender in the stolen squad,
Right.
but in custody.
Right, one victim.
And one victim.
And then everybody else at Motorworks.
Who else? Was anyone else with you in the squad?
Yes.
Someone was in the squad with you?
Yes.
Is he in the woods here with us now?
Yes, he in the other woods.
We got one still at large, sounds like.
In the other woods. What? In the other woods over there.
Just right that way.
Oh, that way.
You want to show him?
Line, for real. He big for sure? Yes.
Is he armed? Has he got a gun?
Black.
You got a gun?
He got a gun. What you wearing? He got a black hoodie, blue band.
Let's go.
We got one at large. Here, sit up so you can breathe, man. Just sit up like this.
One at large, westbound, black hoodie, blue pants.
Central 173, correction. 173, go ahead.
You went this way?
Yeah. He been at the woods.
Who was he driving or were you driving?
He was driving. He been got the car when he crashed. Hey, what's wrong?
Failed dark hoodie, last seen westbound.
I got it. Go on in the car. Go ahead.
All right, we're going to stand up, all right? Here, we're going to kind of roll aside. Get your knees onto you. Hold on. Get your feet onto you. All right, now come back up. Ready? There you go. All right, we're going to grab it. Just hold on. I'm going to search you one more time while you're up, okay?
You got nothing on you, right?
Got keys down there, too.
31 last time. We got enough spots here.
My keys are so too. Where the keys are? Okay.
Be good. And,
Say where the guys at. If they call, I know they at.
Definitely.
What is that?
All right, you got a taser probe in you, just FYI, so.
That's going to be hard. We got to go that way.
That way?
No, it's such a big slope right there.
Here, you got him for a second? Hold on.
Did y'all would cook him?
160 on profile of the car.
What? Did y'all would cook him? No. Who are we?
Barrington.
Y'all would cook him there?
Who's the judge? Who close that? You're going to Cook County Jail.
Yes. I won't be out here with these people. When he crashed, he hit me in my head.
All right, we're going to get you an ambulance, but we got to get you up here, man. We called an ambulance already, okay?
Okay.
Can you get your legs under you so we can get up?
Okay.
We're like literally almost there. Look at this. Look.
Oh. Okay. Oh, fuck, dude. You're good. You're good.
Almost there, bro. Let me grab my squad. He's gonna need an ambulance too, but you don't need an ambulance?
Yeah, we're gonna get you checked out regardless. Hello? Have they called you yet? We got a major show. You gotta come in. We got one squad's crash. We got one guy in custody at least. Multiple one civilian that was involved in the crash.
We're going to shut down.
Looking for 2 more guys running around town. Hey, can you guys shut this down?
At Barrington and Coffee.
Hey, you okay? Wake up, bro. What's your name?
According to police, a review of the Motorworks surveillance footage showed that between 5 and 7 suspects broke into the dealership, stole several key fobs, and started driving off with luxury vehicles. Around 6 in the morning, while they were in the middle of taking their second round of cars, officers arrived on the scene. 27-year-old Tavares Jackson was arrested and charged with 2 counts of aggravated possession of a stolen vehicle, criminal damage to property, aggravated battery to a peace officer, and aggravated fleeing and eluding. A second suspect, 23-year-old Lamont Jackson, was caught about 2 miles south of Motorworks after crashing the second Mercedes that fled the lot. He was charged with aggravated fleeing and eluding and possession of a stolen motor vehicle. Both men were held on a $100,000 bond, and both were already on parole for previous felony convictions. According to the Illinois Department of Corrections, Tavares had received a 4-year prison sentence for 2 counts of burglary and 3 counts of possessing a stolen vehicle. He was released in April 2025 and remains on parole through spring of 2026. Lamont, on the other hand, got 5 years for burglary, aggravated reckless driving, and possession of a stolen vehicle, and is currently serving time at Pinckneyville Correctional Center. According to the police report, the black Porsche involved in the case was never found. In total, 5 people were injured, and 4 separate crashes were caused by this group of thieves. Fortunately, everyone has since made a full recovery. But here's where it gets interesting. They didn't just strike once, they came back for seconds. Same plan, same arrogance, same life. That's not random, that's organized. And when you see something that bold play out in broad daylight, you start to wonder, how deep does this network really go? Because when a crew walks into a car dealership in the middle of the morning, they're not trying to hide, they're sending a message. A message that says, we don't fear being seen. And that kind of confidence doesn't just surprise people, it shakes their sense of what safe even means anymore. You can't script something like this. 1 minute, officers are responding to a simple, suspicious activity call at a dealership. The next, a Porsche is ramming a squad car with cops still inside. That's not just a felony, that's a statement. A message that says, I don't care if I get caught and I dare you to try and stop me. Timing was everything. Early morning means low patrol presence, slower response times, and open highways. Perfect for a quick getaway. Crews like this rarely act alone. They're usually part of a bigger system, sometimes even interstate syndicates that move stolen luxury cars faster than banks move money. And it's not just a theory. Federal prosecutors in the Eastern District of Missouri, working with the Justice Department's Violent Crime and Racketeering Section, recently indicted 10 members of an organized theft ring known as the Strikers. That group hit more than 20 dealerships across eastern Missouri and southern Illinois, stealing nearly 50 high-end cars including Hellcats, BMWs, Audis, and Mercedes-Benz models, worth over $3 million. They didn't just take cars. They took key fobs, license plates, and caused massive property damage, later selling the stolen vehicles on social media for anywhere between $500 and $10,000. These aren't isolated crimes. They're symptoms of a much larger, well-coordinated criminal economy that stretches across state lines. So no, this wasn't just 3 random guys hitting a dealership. This was a test run for something much bigger. Barrington was just another dot on the map that morning. But somewhere out there, someone higher up was counting profits, while police were left to clean up the chaos.